Back with another sneaker unboxing from End. These are the Ultra Boost for men's. This is the Shock Purple, new colorway. Saw these online. I kind of like the color, so I went ahead and picked it up. And it's my go-to store because they sell these for under retail. They sell these Ultra Boosts for under retail. On the box, it says End right there. Check them out. I picked these up for $160, I believe. So it's a good deal. Let's open it up. Again, one-day shipping straight from the UK to Washington. That boost box. Alright. So I picked up a size 8.5, Ultra Boost M. There's no colorway right here. Just says Night Navy and Shock Purple. Let's get to it. Receipt. Ooh, okay. Very colorful, I would say. Has the pink, purple stripe right there by the cage. It's like a purple violet color. Has like a teal. Has a purple, teal, and then just like this multicolor print. I mean, it's a love-hate colorway. You either like it or you don't. I think these are pretty nice. I can pull it off. Has the Continental on the bottom. Here's the other pair. There's the tongue, Adidas and infrared. Yeah, I think these look nice. I saw the woman's Shock Purple and those are pretty nice as well, but I kind of like this toe box. I like this tacky color. I don't know, it might just be me, but I think these are pretty nice. Buy what you like, guys. Buy what you like. And it's teal insole, Ultra Boost. Nothing much, just a new pickup, new colorway that dropped on End for under retail, and I was able to snag these up. Pretty easy cop if you like this colorway. But yeah, another boost to my collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Peace.